Hey everybody, I'm Kaylee Carruthers of Tulip, and today we're talking to aerospace and defense customers about a number of different operational problems. But today I'm going to walk you through AI agents, and in this specific use case, how that can help bring engineering and manufacturing a little bit closer from a PLM MES standpoint. So a very common issue that we hear all the time, your ECOs, your design engineers, they're living and breathing in PLM, and it's quite a manual effort, especially on your manufacturing engineering team, to translate various changes into work instructions, what that means for the manufacturing process. So I have an agent behind me, and we'll walk through what this is, but is essentially going out to that PLM, understanding an ECO, what that means, and doing a complete audit of your Tulip platform to help provide an analysis to your manufacturing engineer on what work instructions were impacted, any kind of data that needs to be changed, and interpreting that change. So on the left-hand side, to walk you through what an agent consists of, it looks very similar to other LLMs you may be familiar with, where we have a goal here defined. So in this scenario, you're a manufacturing engineer, and you are helping understand the operational impact of an ECO. Our instructions are going to be the train of thought, or how we want the agent to actually go out and execute this. And then we have a section for tools down here below. This is going to be the scope that this agent has access to. Important to note that any user interacting with an agent, the agent will not have any more permissions than the user themselves. So here, like as an example, we have access to all of our applications. We're providing this agent access to all of our table data. And then specifically, as our connector to our PLM. So we have in this scenario, an ARIS, could be Arena, could be any PLM, Team Center, or we have a set of transactions to go out and actually get that information. So on my right-hand side is my chat preview, where I just put in a very simple prompt to help me analyze the manufacturing impact of some ECO. And you can see the school of thought that this agent went through here, where it is going out, getting that information from ARIS, providing context on what that is, and then executing that audit of the Tulip platform, where here it's giving me an impact analysis. It's giving me a report of what it found, what the change was, and what the impact is going to be. Eventually with an impact report where it's telling me, no surprise here, something in our BOM table needs to change, as an example. Specific applications that need to be updated, and then specific steps or widgets within that app. So this is a great example of how agents can help reduce time of various processes, in this case, the manufacturing engineer's effort of managing work instructions. Thank you.